Hi everybody, we're going to solve this integral together here. First step, we need to know that 3 is actually equals to exponential power ln 3. Imagine e and ln cancel off, therefore 3 equals to 3. Obviously, we're going to use this equation replace to the one in the integral. So this one become integral 0,1 exponential power ln 3 and then power ln x divided by x dx. If we rearrange, we get integral 0 to 1 exponential ln x ln 3 x dx. There's a good news here because e power ln x is actually x. So now our integral is further simplified. Become integral 0 to 1 x power ln 3 divided by x dx. While ln 3 is a constant, it's not a variable. So it is now become integral 0,1 x power ln 3 minus 1 dx. When come to here, it's quite easy, the integral. It is simply equals to 1 over ln 3 minus 1 plus 1 become just ln 3, and then the x also power ln 3 minus 1 plus 1, which is only ln 3, with the range of 0 to 1. So obviously the answer is 1 power ln 3 over ln 3, and here is the final answer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell notification button